Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Yes, we are so happy you're here today.
I'm Lily,
And I'm Tom.
and together, we help you speak English every single day. If this is your first time watching us, welcome to the family. We post an English lesson every day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button right now.
Seriously, click it. Your English will thank you later.
Today's lesson is a fun one. We're going to talk about yesterday.
Yesterday? Like literally yesterday?
Exactly. We're learning how to talk about the past in English. This is called the past simple tense.
Oh no, grammar. Already?
Don't worry, Tom. It's easier than you think. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly.
Okay, I trust you. But only because you always make grammar less scary.
That's the plan. Stay with us. This lesson is for A1 to B1 level learners. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. Actually, before we start the lesson, I want to ask you something.
Uh-oh, what is it?
Not you. I'm asking our viewers. So yesterday, Tom was 45 minutes late to work.
Please don't tell this story.
And when he finally walked in, his boss was standing right there at the door, waiting for him.
Lily, don't.
His boss looked at him and asked, "Tom, why are you late?"
This is so embarrassing.
Now here's a clue for you. Tom didn't tell the truth.
Lily.
He didn't say, "I woke up late," and he didn't say, "I missed the bus."
Stop giving hints.
One more clue. His answer made his boss laugh.
Okay, that's true. He did laugh.
So here's my question for you. What do you think Tom said to his boss? Remember, it wasn't the truth, and it made his boss laugh.
Good luck. It's a strange one.
Write your guess in the comments below. Be creative. We're going to read our favorite guesses in tomorrow's video.
And if someone actually guesses it right, I'll be very impressed.
Okay, now let's hear the whole story. Tom, tell us about your day yesterday. So, what happened yesterday morning?
Okay, so yesterday, I woke up late.
How late?
My alarm went off at 7, but I didn't hear it.
You didn't hear it?
No, I was so tired. I finally opened my eyes at 8:15.
8:15. Tom, you start work at 9.
I know. So I jumped out of bed and I ran to the bathroom.
Did you even brush your teeth?
Of course I brushed my teeth. I'm not an animal, Lily.
Okay, continue.
So I got dressed super fast, I grabbed my bag, and I ran outside.
And then?
Then I saw the bus. It was already at the bus stop.
No.
Yes. So I started running. I mean really running, Lily, like an athlete.
Did you catch it?
Almost. I reached the bus stop, but the doors closed right in front of my face.
Oh no, Tom.
The bus just drove away. I stood there completely out of breath.
So what did you do?
I called a taxi, but the taxi took forever because of the traffic.
How late were you in the end?
45 minutes.
45 minutes? Tom!
I know. And when I walked into the office, my boss was standing right there, right at the door.
And that's when he asked you the question.
Yes. He looked at me and he asked, "Tom, why are you late?"
Did you tell him the truth?
No, not exactly.
So what did you say?
I'm not telling you here. Let's save that for later.
But he laughed, right? You said he laughed.
Oh, he laughed. Really hard, actually.
Now I'm even more curious.
You'll have to wait, like everyone else.
Okay, fine. Let's move on to the grammar lesson because this whole story is actually a perfect example of the past simple tense.
Look at that. My terrible morning became a grammar lesson.
Every disaster is a teaching opportunity. Okay, everyone, let's talk about the past simple tense. This is how we talk about actions that finished in the past.
Like actions that are already done?
Exactly. For example, yesterday, 45 minutes late, the bus was already gone. All finished.
Thanks for the reminder.
There are two types of verbs in the past simple: regular verbs and irregular verbs.
Let's start with regular verbs. This one's easy.
Regular verbs, we just add ed to the end of the verb.
For example, walk becomes walked.
Call becomes called.
Watch becomes watched.
Simple, right? You just add ed and now it's the past.
I called a taxi yesterday. See? Past simple.
Perfect example. Now, irregular verbs are a bit different.
Yeah, these ones don't follow the rule. You just have to remember them.
For example, go doesn't become goed.
That would sound so wrong.
It becomes went.
See becomes saw.
Wake up becomes woke up.
Just like in my story, I woke up late.
Exactly. And run becomes ran.
I ran to the bus stop.
But you didn't catch it.
No, I didn't.
Now, let's talk about negative sentences and questions.
For negative sentences, we use did not or didn't plus the base verb.
For example, I didn't catch the bus.
I didn't hear my alarm.
Notice the verb goes back to its base form, not didn't caught, just didn't catch.
And for questions, we use did at the beginning.
Did you catch the bus?
Did you hear your alarm?
The answer is simple too. Yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
No, I didn't, clearly.
One more important point. The verb be is special in the past.
Am and is become was.
Are becomes were.
For example, I was late.
The bus was gone.
The boss was standing at the door.
Great examples, Tom. Now, this is a shadowing lesson too, so we want you to repeat after us in your head or out loud as we go through the vocabulary section next.
Get ready to practice speaking.
Okay, now let's learn some useful past simple vocabulary with real stories.
Real stories? From us?
Yes! Let's start with the word missed.
Missed. It means you didn't catch something or you didn't arrive in time.
Like, I missed the bus.
Story time. Last month, I missed my flight to Canada.
What? You never told me that.
That's a painful memory, Lily. I arrived at the airport 20 minutes before the flight.
20 minutes? That's too late.
I know that now. The doors were already closed. I missed my flight.
Great example. Now let's learn forgot.
Forgot. Past tense of forget. It means you didn't remember something.
I have a story for this one. Last week, I forgot my sister's birthday.
No, Lily.
Yes, I was so busy with work, I completely forgot.
How did you remember?
My mom called me at 8 in the evening and asked, "Did you call your sister?"
Oh, no.
I said, "Of course I did, but I hadn't." I quickly called her right after.
Did she forgive you?
Eventually, I sent her flowers the next day.
Smart move.
Now let's learn dropped.
Dropped. It means something fell from your hands.
Do you have a story, Tom?
Oh, I have a great one. 2 days ago, I was carrying my coffee into the office.
Please tell me you didn't.
I dropped it all over the floor, right in front of everyone.
Tom.
Everyone looked at me. I just stood there holding an empty cup.
What did you do?
I apologized and I cleaned it up. Very embarrassing.
That's actually our next word, apologized.
Perfect timing.
Apologized. It means you said sorry for something.
I apologized to my coworkers for the coffee disaster.
Good sentence. And it connects perfectly to my next word, arrived.
Arrived. It means you reached a place.
Yesterday, I arrived at work early, actually.
Unlike some people.
Don't look at me like that.
I'm just saying, you arrived early. I arrived 45 minutes late.
And that brings us to our final word, laughed.
Laughed. Past tense of laugh.
After everything happened yesterday, someone laughed, didn't they?
Actually, yes, my boss laughed, right after I answered his question.
Oh, we're back to that again.
I know. My coworker Ahmed saw the whole thing too, and he laughed even harder.
That's the spirit. Even embarrassing mornings can turn into funny stories. Okay, everyone. Now it's time for our shadowing practice. This is the fun part.
Shadowing means you repeat after us right away using the same rhythm and the same pronunciation.
We're going to use sentences from Tom's story today. Ready?
Ready to hear my disaster morning one more time? Sure, why not?
We'll say each sentence slowly first, then at normal speed. Repeat both times if you can.
Let's go.
Slowly. I woke up late.
Now normal speed. I woke up late.
Your turn. Pause the video and say it out loud.
Next one, slowly. I missed the bus.
Normal speed. I missed the bus.
Say it with me one more time. I missed the bus.
Slowly. I ran to the bus stop.
Normal speed. I ran to the bus stop.
Nice and clear, everyone. Keep going.
Slowly. The doors closed.
Normal speed. The doors closed.
That one still hurts.
Next sentence. Slowly. I called a taxi.
Normal speed. I called a taxi.
Great. Notice that called ends with a soft D sound, not ed like a separate syllable.
Try it again. Called. Called. Good.
Slowly. I was 45 minutes late.
Normal speed. I was 45 minutes late.
That's a long sentence, but you can do it.
One more time, a little faster. I was 45 minutes late.
Beautiful. Now let's try a question.
Slowly. Did you catch the bus?
Normal speed. Did you catch the bus?
And the answer, everyone, together, no, I didn't.
Perfect. Last one, and this is an important one.
Slowly. My boss asked me a question.
Normal speed. My boss asked me a question.
And you still don't know what I answered.
Not yet. Okay, amazing job, everyone. You just practiced 6 full sentences in the past simple tense.
Your pronunciation is getting better every single day.
Try recording yourself saying these sentences and compare it to us. That's the best way to improve your accent.
Now let's move on to a quick summary of everything we learned today.
Okay, let's do a quick summary of today's lesson.
We learned the past simple tense for actions that are already finished.
Regular verbs add ed, like called or watched.
Irregular verbs change completely, like go to went or see to saw.
For negative sentences, we use didn't plus the base verb.
And for questions, we use did at the beginning.
And don't forget was and were for the verb be in the past.
We also learned 6 new words: missed, forgot, dropped, apologized, arrived, and laughed.
All from real stories, some more embarrassing than others.
Thanks for reminding everyone about the coffee.
You're welcome. Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what did you do yesterday? Use the past simple tense.
For example, I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I watched a movie.
Try to use at least one irregular verb and one regular verb in your sentence.
And remember our mystery: my boss asked why I was late, I didn't tell the truth, and my answer made him laugh.
Write your best guess below. What do you think Tom said?
The real answer might surprise you.
That's it for today's lesson, everyone. Great job practicing the past simple tense with us.
Remember, we post a brand new English lesson every single day, so there's always something new to learn.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Daily English Talk.
Join our family of English learners. We'd love to have you.
We'll see you tomorrow for another fun lesson.
And maybe, just maybe, I'll finally tell you what I said to my boss.
Maybe. Bye, everyone.
Bye.